Hey everybody, this is Hans with ListingsMagic, and just wanted to send out this video just for those that are interested in learning more about the possibilities of advertising with LinkedIn. And so why I'm looking into this is because I'm just not feeling that Facebook is the right platform any longer. I just think that it's kind of run its course, maybe not fully, but it's certainly moving in the wrong direction. I've been just frustrated with the results from it, or the lack thereof. My account got shut down for no particular reason, could not reach anybody in support. I tried every possible avenue that I could possibly find, and one day it was back up again, and it was at least a month that it was shut down, and I just was pulling my hair out trying to figure out what was going on. So LinkedIn, I actually had an advertising account with LinkedIn, and this video is going to show you how to set up your own business page if you haven't already done so with LinkedIn for your business page, very similar to the Facebook business page, and then how to set up your ad account. Very simple. They make it very easy. I actually ran into an issue you'll see in the video that follows, and lo and behold, I actually reached somebody on chat that was able to actually help me get that resolved. And so I feel like LinkedIn is a very professionally run company, and it's used by professionals. So just a couple of stats on it. They've got about 810 million members. At any one given time, there are 12 million people looking for work. And I just find myself going there a little more often than I used to, and maybe you're in the same situation, or maybe you've always used it, or maybe you haven't. So I just think that this might be of interest to you, and you might be wanting to look at advertising on LinkedIn. I think that the impact that you can get from running ads on LinkedIn is going to be significantly better, but I don't have any metrics yet to validate that. So I'll follow this up with some additional data points as I accumulate them. But for now, the video that follows, or the two videos that follow, will show you how to get your business page set up and then your advertising account set up. And if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. But again, this is pretty new, so we're kind of learning as we go. So in this video, I'm just stepping through the process to set up and run LinkedIn ads. So when you're in your LinkedIn account, there's an advertise button in the upper right-hand corner. And so once you do that, you'll come into a campaign manager here. And I already have an account that I set up here, but I'm going to set one up for my wife's business. So I clicked on set up a new account. And because she does not have a LinkedIn page, I clicked on that, and that opened up this page over here. And so once you get here, you would just simply select company and then name. And she has an LLC that she's created, and her website is this. What's the other option? Real estate, agents and brokers, company size, company type, self-employed, logo, and tagline. What is her tagline? Let me see. It's on her website. And it looks like it's optional, so you don't have to put that in. Serving and supporting the Foothills community since 2002. Verify. Looks like there's no photo, so it's just, I could just do, oh yeah, there's a combined logo, so let's do that instead, since there was no. There we go. Small. Let's pause this one and get this right. So it recommends a square image, but I just didn't like the way it looked, stacking these on top of each other. And so it's a little smaller than I'd like, but we can always update that later. And so I'm just not going to worry about that right now. And now we create the page. And no cover image. Let's see, what can we do for a cover image? I think edit page. So then you've got some, it's like creating a Facebook page in a sense. So let's put in a description. I'm going to go grab it. So I put that in there. You have up to 2,000 characters, so you can do that. Founded 2002. Phone number 803-589-4513. Add a specialty. It's not letting me do that. Something's not right. But let's just save it for now. Maybe if we come down here and try it again. Oh, it looks like it's there. Oh, I can just type it right there. So, buyer's agent, seller's agent. And again, you can always come back and fix the stuff or update the stuff later. Changes have been updated. Let's close that. We don't need to do a post yet. Let's edit this. Upload a cover image. It tells us the size. Wait, what did it say? Where was it? 12 or 1128 by 191. All right, so I'm going to go do a little massaging of some images. This is something that you can go and have somebody on Fiverr do, or if you're handy with Photoshop, which I'm handy enough so I can do it myself. Let's just see what happens if I take conifer. I'm just going to see what happens. Found a load, didn't like that. All right, let me find one. All right, so I created an 1128 by 191 image, and they are in, where are they? And yeah, marketing, oh, evergreen. Wait, what? Where is it? All right, let's put it somewhere else. All right, sorry about that. So, it says that we can drag the image to reposition. Well, I will worry about that later. Let's just save. Should be there. Let's refresh. Oh, so it does fit properly. All right, and so now that we've completed that, if you're interested in running LinkedIn ads, now we can say, may need to start over here. Let's do this again here. Let's create account. Dania real estate. Let's call it LinkedIn ads, just to keep it clear. There it is. Save. Oh, okay. It might take some time before it's ready, possibly. I'm not sure. I'll come back and continue this as soon as I get this all resolved. So it looked like this is just a follow-up to the last video about setting up a business account for LinkedIn and then the ability to run ads. So I ran into this error that was occurring, and it turns out that all of LinkedIn was down temporarily. So I was able to do that. I didn't record that step because I didn't think it was going to work, but it did. But so once that was done, it took me here. Now the next thing you're going to need to do in order to run ads is go to the billing center and add a credit card. And so I will do that. I will not show that on my screen here, so I'll pause that. So go to agree and then launch campaign. And then now you can create a campaign. And so just as an FYI, most of the online advertising platforms kind of put things into three containers: a campaign, an ad group, and then actual ads themselves. And so we'll explain more about that in follow-up videos down the road.